Welcome guys, kindly kama uja subscribe, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Yeah, today is another new day. Tunashukuru Mungu, everything is okay at the farm. Yeah, today we are deworming our goats using Levimox super. Yeah, zimetoka tu from drought. Now we are kumenyesha, we are at rainy season. The grass are green, so tuna have to wash their stomach using Levimox. Yeah, so we are deworming them using Levimox. 10 mils each. Yeah, welcome guys. Deworming all the goats, including the sheeps. Yeah, we'll be doing this to all the goats. All the goats will be dewormed today. The vet is around doing his job. Yeah, and we thank you for subscribing, for watching our videos. We'll keep updating you in everything that is going on in the farm. Yeah, look at them, they have already been dewormed. These ones, the sheep have already been dewormed. They are relaxing. That is the stretching area. They're almost winding up with a few remaining goats. This is the salt block. You need to have it. Yeah, that's the salt block. Yeah, thank you. Enjoy the video. Everything we are doing here will update you. Thank you, and subscribe.